Good morning. Welcome to our furniture store. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am looking for a new sofa for my house.
You come to the right place. We are famous for the most beautiful and comfortable sofa in town.
Haha, great.
Please follow me. This one is our best seller.
Oh wow, this blue sofa is so beautiful.
It is very comfortable too. Please sit down.
Oh, it is so soft. I love it.
It is a high-end sofa, very modern. One of our best items.
Let me see the price tag. Oh my.
Is everything okay, madam?
Oh no, this is very expensive.
The materials are very special. It is real leather. It may be a bit pricey.
Oh, I see. Is there a discount for this sofa?
I am sorry, there is no discount today.
Oh, what a pity. It feels great, but I cannot afford it.
Don't worry, we have other options for you. Please look at this gray sofa over here.
Oh, I love the color. It looks so vintage.
This is an older model, so it is much cheaper and also has a discount of 40% too.
Wow, that fits my budget. But is the material good?
It is not leather, but the fabric is very strong.
It feels very durable indeed.
It is very easy to clean too. It is a smart choice for a family.
You are right. I need to be smart with my money. All right, I will take this one.
Nice. Do you want to pay in full or in installments?
Can I pay in installments?
Yes, you can pay every month for 1 year.
That is great, but I will pay in full today.
Perfect. You made a very good decision, miss. Let's go to the receptionist and proceed with your payment.
I can't wait to see it in my house.
It will look amazing, trust me.
Excuse me, miss. Sorry to interrupt, but I think there is a problem.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today? Is everything okay?
Well, I just checked my receipt and I think you charged me twice.
Oh, really? I am so sorry to hear that. Let me see the receipt, please.
Here you go. Look at this line right here.
Let me see. Oh, I see it. One super robot toy and another super robot toy.
Exactly, but I only bought one robot for my son. See, it is right here in my bag.
Oh my, you are right, sir. I remember scanning this item only once.
But the total price is very high because of this mistake. It's $60 extra.
I am so sorry, sir. It must be a mistake with the scanner.
I understand, but I need a refund for the second one, please.
Of course. Let me check the transaction on my computer.
Is it fixed now? I have to go home soon.
Just a moment, please. Oh, I see the problem. The machine scanned the code twice, very fast.
Ah, I knew it.
It was very busy here, so I didn't notice it. My apologies.
It's okay. Mistakes happen. I just want my money back.
Unfortunately, I cannot give a refund by myself. I need to call my manager.
Oh, really? Will it take a long time? There are many people waiting behind me.
Don't worry, it will be very fast. Manager to register 5, please.
Thank you. I appreciate your help, Sarah.
You are welcome, sir. Thank you for your patience. You are very kind.
Okay, that is everything for today. Your total is $85, sir.
Great. Let me just get my wallet. Oh, wait a second.
Is everything okay? Take your time, sir.
Oh no. Oh my. Where is it? I always keep it in my right pocket.
Don't panic, sir. Maybe it is in your jacket pocket.
I don't know. I'm so embarrassed. There are so many people waiting behind me. Should I cancel the order? I feel so bad because you already scanned everything.
No, please don't worry. I can put your order on hold for a moment.
Oh, really? Can you do that? That would be wonderful.
Yes, I will move your bags to the side. You can go to your car and check.
You are so kind, Mary. I will be very fast, I promise.
Take it easy. I will wait for you right here.
Wait. Oh, I am so stupid. Haha. I have my phone. I can pay with my mobile banking app.
Oh, that's right. We accept mobile banking here.
Yes, my bank app is open now. Let me scan the code. Did it work?
Yes, The transaction is successful. Perfect.
Oh, thank heavens. Thank you so much for your patience.
My pleasure. Here are your bags. Have a nice and safe trip home. Hope you will find your wallet soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our customer service desk. How can I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I would like to return this sweater, please.
Oh, I see. Is there a problem with the sweater, sir?
No, the quality is great, but it is way too big for me.
I see. It looks like an extra large size.
Yes, my friend gave it to me as a gift, but I usually wear a medium.
I understand. Do you have the receipt or any proof of purchase with you?
Oh, about that, I don't have the receipt. It was a gift, you know?
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
Is it a big problem? I really cannot wear this.
Well, according to our store policy, we need a receipt to give a cash refund.
Oh no, really? But look, the tag is still on the sweater.
Yes, I see the tag. It is still brand new and in perfect condition.
Exactly. I never wore it. Can you please help me? I don't want to waste it.
Okay, since the tag is still here, I can offer you two options.
Oh, what are they? I'm listening.
First, you can exchange it for a smaller size right now. The second option is store credit.
Store credit?
It's a special service of our store. We give you a gift card with the same price. You can use it to buy anything in our store.
Oh, wow. That is a wonderful idea.
But I will need to see your ID card to process the gift card.
Oh, I have my ID right here in my pocket. Just a second.
Perfect. I also need to scan the tag to check the price in our system.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Okay, your store credit is ready. It has $50 on it.
That's great. I can buy a nice shirt and maybe some socks too.
That's a smart plan. The card is valid for 1 year.
Wow, this store has such amazing service.
My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping and have a lovely day.
Excuse me, young man. Please stop right there.
Oh my, who? Me? What happened?
The security alarm is ringing. Did you buy something just now?
Yes, I just bought this sweater. Is there a problem?
Please step back inside the store, sir. I need to check your bag.
Oh no, it's a misunderstanding. I didn't do anything wrong.
Calm down, please. It is just a standard security check.
Oh, look at all those people. They're watching me.
Don't worry about them. Just show me your receipt, please.
Here it is. I have the receipt right here.
Let me see. One blue sweater, $30.
Okay. I paid for it at register number 3. I promise.
I believe you, but I need to look inside the bag now.
Sure, go ahead. I have nothing to hide. This is so embarrassing.
Wait a minute, I found the problem.
What is it? Is there something wrong with my sweater?
Look at this plastic thing on the sleeve. This is the security sensor.
Oh, I see it. Why is it still on my shirt?
I think the cashier forgot to remove it when you paid.
Oh my, I was so scared. My heart is beating so fast.
I am very sorry for the embarrassment, sir. It was our mistake.
I understand. Can you please take it off from me now?
Of course. Please follow me to the desk. We will remove the sensor.
Next time, I should always check if the cashier removes the sensor before I leave.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, have you bought anything this month? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.